welcome. Today we're gonna look at the KingCamp tent. This is the Teepee tent, and this is some more information about the tent, and you have some instructions. So this is the pole, you have some pegs, and that's the tent itself. So let's see how it looks like. So you get the pegs and the rope and the pole. Result is like this, guys. Has some vents, air vents in here, which should stay up like that. Let's try again. Should do, but still allows some air to flow in. That's the inside space. I think it's plenty even for if you can squeeze in like 4 people. Yes. And then that's the inner side, and you have this strips that you put KingCamp all the way, and then this is where you put your I can't remember what it's called now, your stove or something. It's good for air vents, so you have that as well. Yeah, so there's another vent on the back in here. So yeah, there you have it, guys. Thank you for watching.